Are you a statistician or data analyst? Then this video is for you. Most Excel users don't know this simple trick. So I'm going to show you how to create one table for it to appear on other sheet tab. Welcome to Agutech, where we make learning easier. Look at this table. You can create one of these table and it will appear on this sheet tab and this sheet tab. So we'll create it on this one alone and it will appear on the second sheet tab, which is the primary, and the third sheet tab, which is the JHS. It will appear on all of them. So let's see how it goes. Open a fresh sheet like this. Then create the sheet tabs. Use the plus here. Click on it. You see second sheet. Click on it. Then you see third sheet. Then let's rename the sheet tab. So you can double click it and then we name it KG. Then we punch enter. You can also right click on it and choose rename. Okay, and then we name it primary and we'll punch enter. Okay, so now that you know, we can either double click or right click. Let's rename this one. So JHS. Alright, so after creating all the sheet tab, hold your control key down, control key on your keyboard. Hold it down whilst KG is selected. Hold it down and select primary and JHS. After selecting the other sheet tab, we are going to give the caption of the sheet. So for example, this is Agutech Educational Institute. We punch enter. Then (2025/2026) academic year. Then data on teaching staff. We select the KG is the first sheet. We name it KG to bracket. Alright. So after that, we leave this fourth row here. Then we come here, we type serial number, we give our table heading. Alright, after giving our heading, we are going to format the table. So we push the cursor up here, we pull it small. The name, let's give it up to this point. Date of birth, so we open a little bit. Sex is okay. Email address should open a little bit. Then phone number is okay. So we are going to merge the top row. But to merge the top row, we are not going to do it one like this. No, we are not going to do it like that. we are going to use a shortcut key, and this is the shortcut key. We are going to use Alt plus H plus M plus A, and that one merge the cell across. Okay, it merges the cell across. So we select all the cell, the row up to this, and I said Alt plus H plus M plus A. You see that it has merged everything at once. Okay, it has merged everything at once. Now we need to center it, the heading, we need to center it. To center it, we'll use a shortcut key, and I'm going to show you the shortcut key that we'll be using. Alt plus H plus A plus C. This is the shortcut key. It center the text. It will center the text like how it has centered it here. So that's what will be Alt plus H plus A plus C to center the text. Alt H A C will center the text. So we'll bold it. Okay, we'll increase the font size a little. Then we will select the table heading, bold it, and we'll give the table borders. So let's say we want to give it, you go here, you select this one. So this is the table borders. After giving it the borders, let's give a fill at the top here. So you come here, you select anything. I prefer this, so you can select this one, and that's it. Now when you finish, you just click on primary. You see that the same table is there, DHL the same table is there, KG the same table is there. So to change, you see, because the first sheet is KG and we selected KG, you see KG here, so you click on this one and then you just double click here and change this side to primary. Going to enter, click this side and change this side to JHS. This type of table creation is good when you are dealing with the same table for all the sheet tabs. So if you are dealing with the same table for all the sheet tabs, this is how you go about it, so that you will not create table in sheet 1, you go to sheet 2 and create the same table. So if you are dealing with the same table, you can just create it once and it will appear on all the sheet tabs. So that's how you go about it. Follow me on TikTok. More Excel tip. Comment Excel if you want more spreadsheet trick. Save this video so you can use it later. Thank you for watching.